If you get occasional outbreaks of acne which are not severe, then try apple cider vinegar to deal with those pesky pimples. You may wonder, does it really help with acne? If so, then how to use apple cider vinegar for acne treatment? Do you drink it or apply topically on your acne? We will look into the answers for all these questions in this brief video. So watch it till the end to get complete understanding. Acne are caused by excess production of sebum. It is an oil that keeps your skin healthy and vibrant. The mixture of the sebum, dead skin and other environmental pollutants settling on your face causes acne. Bacterial infection can worsen the condition. If you can keep the impurities and dead skin away from clogging the pores, then you can avoid acne. This is hard but doable work. Apple cider vinegar will help you clear your skin, remove and prevent acne. If you have severe acne, then of course no natural method is going to help you to completely get rid of them. However, if you are an individual with normal acne breakouts, then apple cider vinegar will help you in many different ways to heal your acne. Apple cider vinegar is an organic acid which can kill acne-causing bacteria. It works fast and effective in non-complicated forms of acne. Best way to use apple cider vinegar for acne is to use it as a toner. To make the toner, add 100 ml apple cider vinegar to 200 ml distilled water and 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Mix well and store. This toner effectively cleanses the facial skin. You can also use apple cider vinegar as a face wash. Mix it with water in a 1:10 ratio and wash your face. Drinking apple cider vinegar also helps prevent and clean acne by improving your overall health. It improves metabolism, balances pH, boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. The biggest advantage of drinking apple cider vinegar is that it helps absorb nutrients coming from other food sources. So drink it after meals. Dilute it in water before drinking it. Bottom line is apple cider vinegar helps to heal occasional acne by topical application as well as by drinking it. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.